Alright guys, welcome back again with our new tutorial series, and today we are going to change the caption of our window. So by game window, there you see by game window. So we want to change this to our release, and here I can do there by game dot display dot set caption. Here we can say my first game, whatever you want. My first game, let's check it. Is it working? No, you see my first game. Okay, the next thing what we are going to do is just to check our keys. With this whole bunch of code, you would be aware and it might be the new thing to you. So this is also an event type. So if event dot type equals key down, means any key that is being pressed on the keyboard is being picked up by key down. So print, I want to print event. So here which event would be, so let's have a look. Run this, and I am just pressing any key K. You see here K, D, E, S, Z, X, anything that's being pressed on the keyboard. F key, and let's less than key, greater than key, dot, and shift key. All the keys that are being pressed can be detected by this code. Okay, and I think it's enough for this lecture. See you in the next lecture.